Ron Capps and Gary Denshem as they fire the motors. It's a nice sound, and it's time for our Sounds of the Strip.
Why they call this the beautiful Sonoma Valley. Man, this is a nice place. The Ron
They both had to pedal it, and Capps pedaled it all over the place. Gary Denshem takes the win. Capps has beaten Denshem the last 5 times they raced, but not today and not with a pedal fest.
That wily old veteran that Gary Denshem is. He's got probably more laps down this racetrack than all of us combined. Watch on the left side of your screen. Like I said, they both spun the tires at the same time, but Gary backpedaled it, and it recovered and hooked back up. Let's take another look at Ron Capps here. He's going to spin the tires basically at about the same time. It gets back on the throttle, but what happens, it lifts the front end up, and he had to get back out of it because the car was moving towards the center, and then it just got all kinds of sideways, and Gary Denshem got his to recover and streaks into the second round.
You know, there's something to think about with Gary Denshem. He wins once again from the bottom half of the field as he beat Ron Capps. Denshem's average qualifying start in the last 6 races is 13.8, and yet he hasn't lost in the first round in any of those events. He is Mr. First Round Upset.